try to find Hurricane Creek trail. We're going to go in from Del Rio. When we were turning off of Houston Valley Road, we seen this built-ass Land Rover going by, so we're going to follow that. It's panicking real bad. With my buddy talking on the radio. Right back behind us, and it's Toyota. I think we turned right here. Hopefully this Rover's going to make this turn and we'll follow him. Yeah, I can hear you. Nope.
I dropped this thing and pressed a button on it, dude.
The Rover went straight.
I don't know what I did to get you back.
I guess we're going to be guessing which way to go. Dropping radios, cell phones, everything. Hands-free Tennessee. Oh, look at the river, the natural light. Alright, seen the camping sign. So that means that we're bound to be getting close.
Hurry the fuck up!
We're about to smoke his Yoda. He's gonna be in 4-wheel drive. He already stopped and put his in 4 low.
Shit.
He got 4 low on that Yoda, them little 33s. Them little 33s going.
4-wheel drive is what it looks like.
Yeah, look at that open differential. Doing that one wheel squeal back here, boy.
Hey, listen, when I put this bad boy down at 4 low, I can lock it all in already.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
That ain't no TRD.
Yeah.
You bought that sticker off eBay. I remember when that sticker come in.
Yeah, because the previous one was red and I didn't like it. It didn't go with my truck.
Uh-huh, uh-huh.
Shut the fuck up.
And tires about bald. Golly.
The right rear one is bald.
Disconnect these bars. You turn the wheel, Chastity. About lost that pin. I don't know which way. You start turning it. Other way. Well, not getting that one. This one gonna come. That figures. Get under here and get fancy with it. Alright. There's that one. Had to give it the kick method. Turn your tire the other way. Alright. Now that's how these babies are supposed to work. There you go, take a pee break. Got them pinned up. Disconnected. We in there. We ready to roll. Oh yeah, Yoda climbing it. A little bit of snow up here. Probably gonna be dark by the time we find Hurricane Creek. But it's wild because it was like 60 degrees today and there's still spots of snow up here. And this dash, you know, I probably can't see that, but there are trails everywhere around here. So hopefully we find the right one. Hey, where's them lockers at, bro?
What?
Where's them lockers at?
Maybe you should have bought a Jeep.
Say what?
I said, you should buy a Jeep. Look at you. No.
Damn, look at that rear end flexing. Come on, you ain't gonna let the Gladiator walk up out, are you?
I should get more of an angle on it so I don't roll this motherfucker, bro.
Wait, so you're not even in the Jeep's tire tracks.
Oh, is that right?
No,
Yeah.
you're not.
Let me take
It's embarrassing. what is going on here? I'm embarrassed for you. You almost got it. There it is. There she's locked in. There's them lockers. Big difference with the lockers activated, ain't it?
Yeah. I told you, dude.
Oh, the Yoma that could.
The Yoma that could.
Still no sign on the trail, but we do have some snow on the road, finally. Not gonna last long, I don't think. Look at this dog. Got mud all over his face. He's loving it. What we got here? Smoky Mountain llama tracks. Oh, looky there. Look at this pond. Pretty big pond. What we got up here? Are these people riding llamas? Holy shit.
They're walking llamas.
These people are walking llamas. This is crazy. You ever seen anything like that? Straight up llamas.
No, we're not
Now we got two random girls walking down the road.
walking llamas.
I think we're in North Carolina now. Straight up walking llamas. That's what's up. Must be getting close to Max Patch. Everybody lines up. Golly, look at this. This place is packed. Everybody going to go hike up that hill. They park and line up forever just to go walk up that. Which that's one hell of a hill, if y'all can see that. I mean, look how tight this is right through here. If I was in my Cummins, there's no way I'd be fitting through here. Oh, we got the popos down here. Quick, Chess, put your beer up. Drink it, chug it. Chug it, chug, 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 chug. Now we got the popos up here. I don't know what's going on here. This car about pulled out right into us. We got the popos though. Alright, well, we just talked to the Forest Service guy, and he told us instead of turning right here, to stay straight on this and go to a big field and then turn right on the 233. So if you're coming from Max Patch, don't turn down that. Keep straight on this until you see 233. And the guy said it's pretty rough, but he said most Jeeps and lifted trucks with mud tires won't have any issues. You can find Ferguson Fields with it on your right, then Hurricane Creek should be up here on our next right turn. The guy said 233 was the road number, but up here on the GPS thing it's coming up Juniper Road. Same thing, different letters. A little thought, a little care, thanks to you from Smokey Bear. There's Hurricane Creek Cemetery, so that might help some of y'all find it. And you'll see some really, really nice houses after those fields. Like some ballin' cabins. And like, some woman was like walking her chickens up the side of a hill, like crazy pasture field, and had a bunch of horses. Like, they're loaded. And here we found it. 233, that is the Forest Service road number. We gonna take a break here and get out. Do what?
Y'all not been able to hear me?
Nah, I ain't got my ham radio on. So we found it. We found the elusive Hurricane Creek Trail. How do you feel?
Well, I'm just letting you know, after going through the snow and all the mud, we're finally here. And we're making this, okay?
We're not gonna make it. What are we doing?
I don't know, we don't tell them this is the way of the interstate.
No. Gladiator on fleek right here, boy. Look at these. Look at these. Look at that. Look at that. I heard that trail was as deep as the ocean. Oh, yeah. We got the tent. We all three gonna have to huddle up in it tonight if it gets too rough.
Only if I can spoon with you, darling.
Yeah. We got a case of beer and 3 Lunchables. We'll see how this turns out. Pretty pumped. Pretty pumped.
Hey, you think you're
Got that Yeti unlocked.
I got some roofies.
Yeah. Got this dog up in here. Look at him. Look at that mud. Yeah, say hi to the camera. That's what's up. Load down Dr. Enough now. Here's the start of the trail. So, 233, remember that. Hurricane Creek Cemetery.
Wait, we gotta go through that.
Yeah, we're gonna go through that. So far, the way the trail's gonna...
No, I was like, we pulled in here, I was like, oh.
I think the trail might have... I guess it used to come that way. There's a hell of a hump right there.
I got a little scared when we first pulled up here. I was like, oh shit.
Nah, we've got this. We've got this. Look at this. We got this winch right here. We're gonna get it done. We're gonna be doing it in the dark though. What's your mullet tell you about the trail?
Well, on my way in, I was jamming out to some Skinnerd and Freebird, and it just told me everything's gonna be all right. Like I don't think I'm gonna have to use 4-wheel drive, man.
Probably not.
I'm not.
I mean, when we did pass a Prius on the road with some chains on, so they probably come this way. This will be interesting. It's always funner to do new sketchy stuff in the dark. Oh yeah, looky there, got that trail riding attire on.
Homie, I didn't even got the 4-wheel drive on.
Yeah,
Hey, but I do got it locked in 4-wheel drive.
Bro, but you ain't got no tread.
I ain't got no tread. I don't need no tread.
That tread on that's like the tread on these tires. Oh my God.
That was only this one that's slick.
Look at that dog. Look at that beautiful dog out there. Taking a poop.
Mason, what do you think about the trail? Oh, it's shit? That's awesome.
You know, we had to pay a whole bunch of money to get that dog taken care of. So we're pretty excited when he poops now. All right, so it's night time, and so far it's pretty flexy at just the start of it. Seen a dude on a motorcycle come ripping up through, and he said there is a small Subaru in front of us. But well, there's some pretty cool hill climbs and stuff out here. It's gonna be hard to pick up on camera, but I'd say that this video probably won't have much more to it now, unless this Subaru ends up stuck and we get to pull them out or winch them. It's probably not going to pick up very well, but these are some pretty deep ruts. I don't know how that Subaru's...
Oh God.
Yeah, we just drug the bottom. And we got a 3.5-inch lift and 35s, and we just drug the bottom on a water brake. And here's another one. These ruts are probably 8 inches deep, maybe. Not too bad. Not too bad. Yeah, I have no clue how that Subaru's doing this. If this even shows up on camera.
Look at that shit, nigga.
Just parked, didn't realize it was flexing this much. Now, how are all y'all running these 37s on these 2-inch lifts? I've got to know.
I'll go ahead and tell you how they're doing it. They're slapping them on and just leaving it sit in the fucking driveway.
Yep.
There ain't nobody down putting 37s on it. Damn, this light kind of sucks, bro. You can't see shit on the camera.
Hopefully it'll show up on the computer. Yoda railed it. Nothing major. This picks up, but there's some pretty good rocks popping through phone. Ooh, scrubber. That ain't gonna pick up. And we high centered. Hit the horn. Feeling horny. So far, Hurricane Creek's been a pretty good trail. Alright. Walk back up here and see what's up with my buddy. Oh, I think he's coming. Might have got hung up in this rock section. Alright, this is a little interesting section. Oh shit. Hope this shows up on camera. Still no sign of that Subaru in front of us. Damn, there's some ruts. Can't tell what the hell's over this hill. Nothing. Shit, that was like the worst mud section on the trail. Well, trail wasn't too bad. We're back on gravel road. Looks like we're about to be at the interstate going by the GPS. So, yep, if you follow this video, that'll get you to Hurricane Creek from Del Rio. Or from Max Patch, pretty much. Some sign back there, I couldn't read it. Oh well, y'all, trail's not too bad. I'd say about any stock four-wheel drive could do it, as long as you got decent tires. So there was supposed to be a Subaru in front of us, and I don't know how big it was or anything, but we never met him, and apparently the Subaru made it through the rough spots. So I would say if you got anything four-wheel drive and got a decent set of tires on it, you're good to go. Peace. So the trail straight comes right out onto the interstate. Just thought I'd add this. Like it's, interstate's legit right here. So keep that in mind. Oh shit, that's kind of rough. No. So just remember, it comes right out the interstate. Be ready to get going.